Have you ever wondered how those intricate marzipan sculptures that grace the tops of cakes and desserts are made? Marzipan, a malleable blend of almond meal and sugar, has roots in various cultures. Now that we know what marzipan is, it's time to delve into the sculpting process. Creating art with marzipan isn't as complicated as it might seem. It all begins with the marzipan itself, a delightful blend of almond meal, sugar, and a touch of liquid to bind it all together. The key to working with marzipan is to knead it well. This process warms it up and makes it soft and pliable, ready to take on any shape you have in mind. Now let's add a splash of color. Food coloring is your best friend here. A few drops can transform your plain marzipan into a rainbow of possibilities. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start with a drop or two and knead it in well. Once your marzipan is prepared and colored, it's time to let your imagination run wild. You can shape it with your hands or use sculpting tools for more intricate designs. Think of it as edible clay, ready to be molded into anything from simple shapes to detailed figurines. However, the real secret to marzipan sculpting is patience and precision. Take your time, pay attention to the details, and remember, practice makes perfect. It's all about enjoying the process, embracing the mistakes, and learning as you go. With a bit of practice and a pinch of creativity, you can create your own edible masterpieces. So, to sum up the marzipan sculpting process, let's remember a few key points. The importance of kneading your marzipan cannot be overstated. It's the foundation of your sculpture. Using food coloring can bring your creations to life with vibrant shades. And don't forget your sculpting tools. They're vital for shaping the marzipan into your desired forms. Above all, practice patience and precision. These are the secret ingredients to successful sculpting. Now you're all set to create your own marzipan sculptures. Remember, the only limit is your imagination.